Today your topic of grammar is present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. First I want to tell you difference between simple past and present perfect tense. In a simple past, the work is almost completed and it doesn't continue in the present time. But in present perfect tense, the work has started in the past period and it still continue in the present time. In this tense, third form of verb is always used along with has and have. Has you have to use with singular subjects like he, she, it, and with the plural subjects like they, you, we, I, you have to use with these plural subjects have. I want to share some sentences with you so it will be easy for a better understanding. They have discussed very urgent matters in the meeting. The teacher has asked them a question. Has he denied all sort of help to me? The train has not arrived at the station. He has been to mall twice in a week. She has been busy in domestic chores today. Have you seen that movie before? Why have you been so much engrossed in the skating? She has been gifted a laptop by her uncle. They have gone to an adventure for a week. He has been admitted in a hospital after an accident. Have you ever seen such a crowd in the market? Next is your present perfect continuous tense. In this tense, has, have plus been plus verb first form plus ing has been used. Has been you have to use with singular subjects and have been you have to use with plural subjects. Next I want to share some sentences with you of present perfect continuous tense. I have been reading for 3 hours. It has been drizzling since 10 a.m. They have been playing video game since afternoon. The difference between for and since: for is used for not exact time. When exact time is not given, then you have to use for, like for 2 hours, 5 hours, or like 10 years, 5 years, you have to use for. If exact time is given, like 10 a.m., okay, 5 p.m., since morning, evening, afternoon, or the exact name of the year has been given, like he has been working since 2005. If exact time is given, then you have to use since. If time is not exact given, then you have to use for. So in this lecture I have described you present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense.